what's up everyone? So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I made a poll a few days ago having you guys pick between a POV Drive and a sort of how to build a coyote video, and POV Drive won. So here we are. I've got my head mount set up and we're gonna go ahead and take the Mustang for a drive. Just squeeze in here. Oh boy, cold start's gonna be this is gonna be something. In here every time I start it up. Definitely stings your nostrils. I'll give you guys a quick rundown of the area I'm gonna go drive in. So there are some really nice little, not super curvy back roads, but there's some nice back roads over east of town here in Springfield, and I figured that'd probably be a pretty good little route to go take. Alright guys, so now we are coming up on the back roads that I was talking about earlier. If you live in Springfield, they are right off of Sunshine, and you turn onto Route J, or you can go straight from here and go to 125, both of which are pretty good roads. Route J is what we'll be taking today. It's a little bit shorter, but nonetheless, it's still a pretty good little drive. So now I will shut up and let you guys enjoy the sounds. drive it. Those are some just nice, fun little back roads. We got stuck behind that trailer with a bunch of stuff in it, just for a little bit, which was kind of annoying, but oh well. We'll hit the highway home, so that way I can do a little pull. Guys, so that is going to be all for today. However, I did want to talk about the next video I'm going to be doing. So I know I said in my maintenance wash video that I was going to be doing a how to build a Coyote video as my next video, but instead this one's taken its place just because I did that poll on Instagram and it was like 73 or 74% voted for the POV Drive instead, so that's why we did that today. However, whenever I do make that Coyote build video, I'll be covering all sorts of things, so all motor stuff, boosted stuff, manual, auto, you name it. I'm even talking about like tire selection and stuff like that, so it's gonna be a very in-depth video in terms of how to achieve certain goals with the Coyote platform, which a lot of those goals are extremely easy to achieve. It's just a matter of how you want to do it. And so I will be covering all of that stuff in my next video. So be on the lookout for that. Let me know down in the comments below if you like these POV Drive videos. I know for a fact that whenever we do get roll racing in, or even dig racing and stuff, I'm going to try to bring out the head cam as much as possible. That way, it's just, I think it's a cool perspective. Anytime we do roll races and stuff like that, I'll bring it out. That way you guys can see races from that perspective rather than just the typical, you know, record on a phone. That's all I got for you. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give me feedback. Let me know what you guys want to see and I'll make it happen. But as for now, that's a wrap. We'll see you later.